I want to play catch. I'll get 5 points, and I'll be winner. Catch.
I'm gonna take this in here.
Oh, bro got 1. It was. Oh, we both have 1. Oh, bro, you got 2. Catch. Catch. Here, catch. Oh, bro got 3. Come on, Ratty, winner. Oh, he got both. Oh, bro got 4. I got. Oh, Ray got 4. Oh, Brad won. Oh, I have to sneeze. Uh-oh. It was Vineria. Oh, no. I lose. Oh. Hey, I got the sneeze. I got the sneeze. 2. Oh, it's sneezing 3 times. 2, 5 times. Shoot. 6 times. 7 times. 10 times. Oh no. A weapon sneeze. Yay! 12 sneeze. Here we go. 13 times. 14 times. 16 times. I got buggies in 17 times. Chew a burger 18 times. Chew 19 times. And 20 times. Yay! Poor brat. Chew. I had this sneeze go 30 times, or 40 times, or 50 times. 21 times. That's 22 times. 23 times. 24 times. 25 times. 26 times. 27 times. 28 times. June. 29 times. And June. 30 times. Woo! The end. We got it 40 times and 50 times. 31 times. And 20 times. 33 times. 33 times. 35 times. 37 times. 40 times. 43 times. And 50 times. 100 times. And googolplex needs times. Googolplex, the time to sneeze. Alright, thanks for watching. Goodbye.